This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Brand new 1,885 square foot home on lovely lot. Trees surround this lovely home with no homes behind. Spacious open floor plan gives you a perfect entertaining area with living, dining and kitchen all connected. You will not be isolated in the kitchen while the family enjoys visiting. Kitchen features a large island and large pantry for your convenience. White cabinetry and counters are an elegant white quartz. Living room opens to a concrete deck perfect for outdoor village living. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet and bath with soaking tub and separate shower. Living area and all bedrooms have a very nice neutral LVP for easy living and low upkeep. Baths feature tile flooring and tub. 3 additional bedrooms complete this modern floor plan. 4th bedroom would make an excellent office or computer room. Taxes are based on vacant lot. Interior pictures are of recent homes completed by builder. Hot Springs Village boasts 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, pickleball, hiking trails, white sand beach, tennis, fitness center and much more.